You read the title right. Harley Davidson rumor confirmed. What rumor and how? Well, that's next. So what's the rumor? A couple of weeks ago, Mike was riding in the Ozarks, put up a video. Had some rumors in it. Well, one of those rumors is confirmed.
The other thing we know is no more Rushmore models in the future. What I know we're talking about are the Tri-Glide and the Road Glide 3 because they have Rushmore fairings, and I would consider those to be Rushmore bikes. The trikes are due for an upgrade. I think if they don't upgrade those bikes this year, people are going to continue to wait, but they're going to bring the new technology, the new infotainment center, the new fairings. Will they bring independent rear suspension to the trikes? That's something I hear a lot from trike riders that they want and would be an improvement on the trikes, would be independent rear suspension.
That's pretty clear that the Tri-Glide and the RG3 are either getting new fairings or going away. Now, can't confirm one, but we can definitely confirm the other. Now, a fan of the channel on Facebook sent me a video, and here's the video. So there you have it. The Tri-Glide, at least the Tri-Glide, maybe the RG3, is definitely getting a new body, confirmed by the new fairing here. Now, I don't know exactly sure what the rest of the bike looks like. It's a pretty short clip, and the video didn't really have much to do about the bike so much as local news and camera car and local police helping out, little local landmark. But they did show us a little behind the scenes maybe other people didn't want us to see. And I couldn't tell from that short clip. I watched it a bunch of times, but it's still too hard to say if it's got the independent rear suspension. It did look kind of stiff out back, looked like solid axle. But maybe it was and maybe it wasn't. I'm not sure. Now, just because that one thing is true does not mean that the Road King is going away.
I think it's going to be cut, even though technically it may not be a Rushmore model.
However, it doesn't look well for it either, does it? Now, we'll know more in a couple weeks, I imagine. I'm not sure when the full release of the 2026s is upon us, especially if they're still filming promo videos. And I don't know how old that video is. I know when I seen it, it was not that old. So you Tri-Glide, folks, for sure. Rejoice. Road King's lament, maybe. Doesn't mean it's the end, but it's not looking good, right?
Ring around the rosy.
I guess we'll have to wait for the full release later on this year, whenever that is, to find out who's staying around and who's getting upgrades and what new stuff may be coming along. Now, if they're still shooting promo videos, which is what that was for, you know, maybe it's a little further out in the year than what we had originally thought. Maybe it's closer. Not sure. That's really all I had. Y'all be safe out there. Take care of one another, because won't nobody else. But also,